Coffee shop, and I absolutely love the atmosphere of it. I loved everyone who came in. They were usually regulars, and I love conversation with them. So I decided to apply to a coffee shop in Charleston, and Java was on campus, so it was easy. The people who work there are all very easygoing and funny, and it's a pleasure to come into work every day, so I really enjoy it. The customers love coming to Java. Most of them have a regular time during the day that they come in, so it's usually the same people working when they come in. They know us by name, they have the same order, and we usually learn their order by the third time they come in, so we like them as much as they like us. My best customer experience is when I put out a free sample of a raspberry vanilla latte, and that was my first time ever making it. And a girl came up and she grabbed the cup and she tasted it and she was like, wow, and I was like, oh, is that good? And she was like, I think that's my new favorite drink. I think I have to get it next time. And my worst experience is the first time I was on register, Bailey came in and she asked me to get her something, and then I didn't even know how to work the register, so it took me like 10 minutes to work the register, and then a lot of people ended up coming, and it was just a disaster. I am like a barista, and I bake. I bake muffins, scones, and like little danishes. Well, the scones come pre-packaged, so they just come and we put them in the oven. When I come in the morning, I usually set the oven to 290 degrees, and then the muffins are already baked and put in the pan for me. And well, they're not baked yet, but I don't know what you want to call it. It's like a pre-mix is already in the pan, and I just have to come in and put those in the oven, and then I have to make the mix again for the person for the next morning, and those get put into the freezer. So everything just has to be put in the oven in the morning. People need their caffeine, their coffee, their espresso, everything. I think it's busy just because normally people kind of stop in on Java during their open times during the day, but now they have a lot more free time after their finals, and so they want to study, and before they hit the lab or go wherever they study, they want to get their coffee in. It's not easy, but I mostly work in the mornings before classes, so it's easy to get my shifts out of the way and then go to class and focus on that and then studying later in the day. My favorite thing to drink is probably my own drink, the raspberry vanilla latte. After I made it, it was the best drink I've ever had. And my favorite thing to eat are the blueberry scones. Yeah, we get one drink a day. Usually, like, the workers kind of go off of each other. If we like come in the morning and we have a shift, then we'll have a drink then. And like, if we come in later in the day and we're like about to go study, we're very lenient with each other, but not too lenient to the point where we're always getting free stuff.